I've spent 17 years in the HVAC industry, but before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the nuclear world, we didn't gamble with electrical loads or component reliability. If a system couldn't handle the cycle, it didn't belong on the floor. Today, we're putting that same scrutiny on two heavy hitters in the ductless world, the Blueridge XM2 series and the Costway SEERXtreme series. Both of these are marketed as premium systems, but when you look at the raw data, one of them clearly works harder for your dollar. When we talk about the build, both units are coming out of China, which is standard for the mini split market today. But here is what matters to me as a guy who has seen thousands of failed units. Coil protection. Both the XM2 and the SEERXtreme come with coated coils. In my world, an uncoated aluminum coil is just a countdown to a leak. That coating is your primary defense against the elements, and it's good to see both brands aren't cutting corners on the basic armor. Now, let's look at the electrical side. The Blueridge XM2 is a solid 21 SEER2 unit, but the Costway SEERXtreme jumps the fence to a massive 25 SEER2. Both use variable speed inverter compressors, which is where my background as an electrician kicks in. These inverters eliminate that massive inrush current you get with old school single stage units. It's cleaner power, lower utility bills, and less mechanical wear. But with that 25 SEER2 rating, the Costway is moving heat far more efficiently than the Blueridge. On the noise front, the difference is night and day. The Blueridge XM2 puts out 63 decibels at the outdoor condenser. That's enough to notice if you're sitting on the patio. The Costway SEERXtreme is a ghost by comparison, humming along at just 53 decibels. Price-wise, the gap is just as wide. For a 12,000 BTU setup, you're looking at about $1,100 for the Blueridge equipment and roughly $3,500 for a professional install. The Costway SEERXtreme equipment hits the market around $789. With an installed average of about $20,800, you're getting higher efficiency and quieter operation for significantly less money up front. Before I give you my winner, don't forget the basics. These high-efficiency systems have extremely tight coil fins to hit those SEER numbers. If you don't wash those high-density filters every few weeks, you're choking the system and wasting the tech you paid for. The warranty battle is close. Blueridge offers 5 years on parts and 7 years on the compressor. Costway matches the parts warranty but gives you an extra year on the compressor, bringing it to 8 years. However, keep in mind that Costway strictly requires a professional dealer for installation to keep that warranty valid. The verdict is in, and the winner is the Costway SEERXtreme. In the field, I look for the best combination of performance and value, and the SEERXtreme dominates here. It's 4 points higher on efficiency, 10 decibels quieter, and costs nearly $700 less for the install. For a homeowner looking at the bottom line, the Costway offers a higher tier technology package that pays for itself faster through energy savings and a lower entry price. Shop like a pro and check out our head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com to compare all of the brands.